OSAitm is a solution developed by OSAIT, which is essential for anyone responsible for the management of computer and technology. OSAitm allows you to have an automatic census and monitoring of IT assets through an agent, uniformly manage all actions taken by the staff of the computer's service, plus the outsourced operations, through a console to carry out simultaneous operations on a single PC, groups of PCs, or on all of your PCs. Manage a real virtual warehouse, allowing you to find hardware and software resources so that you can optimize computing resources and purchasing. Let each PC user from an organization to request assistance or report failures and anomalies through an integrated web ticketing service. Make targeted and selective database interrogations through the dynamic views, and monitor deadlines and any other activity thanks to a system of alerts and notifications to produce statistic reports concerning activities carried out by IT. OSAitm is a complete and user-friendly product in constant evolution, as it is enriched with new features based on feedback provided by users. The initial screen shows the menus that allow the user a fast access to information, simply expanding the various nodes. Each OSAitm user has a customizable alert panel which allows, for example, the monitoring of the ticket's status, technical interventions that have been made, administrative deadlines, guarantees, etc. The census of PCs occurs automatically through the use of an agent, which may reside on the organization's PCs, or to be run through a dedicated control. The OSAitm user has a wide range of information related to the selected asset, including the identification data and their classification, purchase and expiration date information, the location within the organization as well as providers' data, the details of all installed software products such as the operating system, system upgrades, application software and utility, the details of hardware configuration such as the number of slots provided on the main board plus the capacity of each memory banquet installed in each slot, the file system type and the size of each hard drive present on your selected PC, the list of all input and output devices connected to the PC. OSAitm offers very detailed information on each selected software or hardware component, including, for example, type and description of the software, for example, operating system, software specifications, such as the product ID, product keys, service pack, etc., description and type of component, for example, network adapter, the component specs, for example, type of card, MAC address, IP address, DHCP, etc. The console allows the manager and the computer service operators to perform multiple operations on a single PC, groups of PCs, or on all of your PCs. The Utilities tab allows, using its buttons, the launch of a series of features related to the selected PC, such as the PC cloning, which is particularly useful in case of purchasing a computer stock with the same technical characteristics. The ability to set a PC as not operative, so that you can use it at any time as a reserve machine. The ability to dispose of the selected PC, for example, due to a donation. OSAitm manages all the historical information concerning the decommissioned PCs and their related hardware and software components. Sync data from the hardware and software tabs with the latest survey conducted by the agent, as well as the automatic creation of variation reports. The buttons Connection Status, Remote Control and Shutdown enable the OSAitm user to perform a range of operations, including check if the resource is accessible from the network, take remote control of your PC using the Microsoft Remote Desktop as the default one, launch a session using the Microsoft Telnet, remotely restart or turn off the resource. The Commands tab allows the creation of custom commands as well as their execution. This can happen on every PC or on individual PCs, and you can easily make your selection from a dedicated interface. OSAitm has got the capability to automatically retrieve the hardware and software resources from decommissioned PCs and manage a real virtual warehouse. At any time, you can view or print a list which is grouped by type, containing hardware and software products that are currently in stock and therefore available for a possible assignment. The OSAitm web module simplifies and supports the IT service work because it automatically assigns tickets to charged operators based on the type of intervention required, notifies IT operators the receipt of a new ticket through a special alert, provides important information useful for the performance evaluation. OSAitm Web, through its simple and very intuitive user interface, allows all PC users to investigate and solve their problems through a troubleshooting system which is managed by the IT, create tickets to request support or to report any failures or malfunctions, to monitor the successful ticket takeover and the progress of the activities carried out by the IT service. Use an internal instant messaging service that permits to send and receive messages by IT. If you are in need to schedule an intervention plan of the technical activities or outsource the management of the ticket, OSAitm allows you to manage all work orders. The IT operator can automatically generate a job order from a previously received ticket. In addition, it is possible to submit additional information useful to carry out activities, including the project development in economic terms, the ability to monitor and compare the hours scheduled for intervention and the actual devoted time to the closure, the management of an intervention type, useful for the automatic processing of statistical reports and ad hoc graphics, the ability to add notes, additional information and automatic notifications that has to be sent also by email, respectively, to peripheral users and operators. The job can be compiled as closed by associating the same one or more intervention reports that specify the activities carried out for the ticket resolution, and then the closing of the contract itself. OSAitm allows a customized alert management. These features provide a good support, for example, for the management of software licenses deadlines, for warranties, for the renewal of service contracts, etc. Alerts are customizable so that they can be viewed only by authorized operators in the form of blink located in the appropriate alert panel. The Dynamic Views module allows OSAitm operators to perform targeted and selective database search through the creation of custom queries. The creation of dynamic views can take place by editing the SQL statements or by using a tool that allows its visual creation. The Dynamic Views module is a prerequisite for the creation of customized reports and the production of statistics data. OSAitm is equipped with an advanced reporting system. In addition to the already existing reports that you can find in the solution, you can create custom prints just using the exporting data functions. OSAitm is made of add-on modules, including, for example, the Energy Monitor module and the RFID module. The Energy Monitor module allows you a real-time monitoring of consumption and loads from the main electric appliances of the organization. This module is a prerequisite for the implementation of policies that aim at energy saving. The RFID module, through the use of specified tags, allows you to survey and know the asset location within the organization. Through the RFID gates, it is possible to monitor the movements of workstation or individual components so that you can avoid their theft.